Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you how to get that perfect salon blowout at home and teach you how to blow dry with a round brush. First, I shampooed and conditioned my hair with the Living Proof No Frizz shampoo and conditioner. Then, I start with the dime size of the No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream on damp hair and add a little bit more. I'm using a mini wet brush to brush my damp hair, which detangles and is so gentle to the hair. You'll need at least 2 hair clips and a rat tail comb to section your hair. I'm going to start sectioning and clipping up the crown area from temple to temple. Using a rat tail comb is not necessary, but it will give you a more precise section, and you can always use your fingers. My next section is the middle area from ear to ear. I'm going to start blow drying, working my way up from the bottom to the top. I'm using my Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, which has negative ions. It will give me a faster blowout and less static. Also, I'm using a Keratin Complex 3.5 round brush, which is great for smoothness and shine. I am setting my hair dryer to a medium heat and medium airflow. These settings will make it more controlled for frizz-free hair. Using my hands, I am getting rid of 50 to 75% of the moisture in my hair. Make sure to get the roots first. It will help speed up the drying time. Then I will use my round brush from roots to ends to blow dry my hair. Using my round brush, I'm starting from the roots and working my way down, making sure that the blow dryer is following the round brush, going downwards. The reason why my hair will be smooth and shiny using this technique is that negative ions does not like water. It is going to push the water out of the hair, making it faster to blow dry. Using a controlled heat with a ceramic coated round brush, blow drying it away from the scalp will seal the hair cuticle. Hair cuticles are like tiny scales that point downwards. They open up when your hair is frizzy. This is why you must blow dry it the direction it grows, which is always away from the scalp to help seal the cuticle. Also make sure to blow dry the hair a little slower with the round brush and the blow dryer from roots to ends, and go over that area a couple times to make sure that it is very smooth and even. Do the same to the other areas, making sure that you are using your hands to get 50 to 70% of that moisture out of the hair, and then using your round brush to polish it. To help with body position, you can see that I am tilting my head. I am switching hands with the hair dryer and the round brush, also using my whole arm to create the movements. This prevents your body from twisting, which it will thank you when you are done. And it's a great way to reach for harder to dry areas. I am going to blow dry the top with a parting. But if you choose to not have a parting, it will actually give you a little bit more volume. Do the same with blow drying with your hands first to get the moisture out, and then use your round brush to polish it. I am blow drying that very front section towards my face and to the side for a bouncy swoop. Remember to blow dry the hair away from the scalp, making sure that the blow dryer is following the brush to create that smooth, shiny look. Round brushing my hair without editing took me about 15 minutes. Depending on your hair type or length, this will take you about maybe 10 to 30 minutes to achieve. For extra volume, use the round brush to lift the hair up at the roots. The top back area and the back area is always a hard area to reach. What you can do is pull the hair forward towards your face so you can actually blow dry it. And voila, a perfect salon blowout at home blow drying with a round brush for smooth, shiny, bouncy hair. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.